For login, just enter any credentials included in the Google Forms. In this case, I'm going to log in one of the front desk receptionists. And make sure both username and password are correct. If successful, you'll see the dashboard that consists of number of check-in today, number of new book today, overall archived guests, and overall checked out guests, as well as overall count of reservation per room type, who are the receptionists scheduled today, and revenue by room type, which can be filtered into daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And last is count of rooms per room status, such as vacant, occupied, on change, and out of order. And if you wish to log out, just click the sign out button at lower left. If you forgot your password, just click this forgot password, then enter the email associated to your account. And an OTP will send to your email. Just copy the OTP and paste it here. Then click submit, and now you can log in with that new password. And that's it for the login and logout.